Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to add MP4 to Wix website or how to add video to Wix website. The first thing you want to do once in your Wix dashboard, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to select Edit Site. After selecting Edit Site, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here I want you to go over to the top left hand corner and you are going to select Pages and Menu. Once you have selected Pages and Menu, you are going to tap on Blog Pages. Then you are going to tap on the Settings icon right beside Blog Pages, and you are going to tap on Manage Posts. From here, you are going to scroll down and you are going to see all of the posts that you have or the pages, and you are going to simply tap on Edit beside the one that you would like to add the MP4 to. Then go over to the top menu option right where you see the plus. You are going to tap on that, and from here I want you to select Video. Then you are going to tap on Upload Video. After selecting Upload Video, you'll be redirected to this page from which you can select Upload Media, and you'll be able to choose the MP4 from your computer or your device. For this example, I already uploaded one, so you can see right here MP4. I'll simply tap on it, and you can change the name by tapping on the name right there. Then you'll tap on Add to Page, and you can see it is added right there. Then you'll simply tap on Save, then Publish, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.